In this video, I'll show you how to pronounce volatility, explain what it means, and show you how it's used in sentences. Volatility. Vol, til, I, t. Volatility. 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 Volatility means how much and how quickly something changes, especially prices in the stock market or financial markets. High volatility means prices go up and down very quickly and unpredictably. The stock market showed high volatility during the economic crisis. Bitcoin is known for its price volatility. Investors try to avoid assets with extreme volatility. Oil prices have high volatility due to global events. Market volatility increased after the unexpected news. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.